I'm going to just prime my eye with the Rimmel London because I like that it's so bright and it dries out super matte, and that's why I'm doing that. But eyeshadow doesn't need to be bang for you to have a flawless look. If you look at celebrities, they never have crazy eyeshadows. It's always like the most simplest eyeshadow, but the base is just so beautiful, so gorgeous, so stunning. Then we're going in with that blush again. We're swirling around the peaches and pinks, and then I like to move my blush around here, and then that also kind of creates like a somewhat eyeshadow. And I see this in Koreans a lot as well. Like if you watch K-pop, they don't really put that much eyeshadow there. Okay, this is giving me 70s vibes. I don't know about you. Fine Art Beauty, so one of their palette, guys, look at the packaging. Fine Art Beauty, and look at this baby right here. And I have seen a lot of people use this. My eyeshadows, I like them to be super simple and easy, and I'm going to be using like the browns and the corals and the mattes. So I got requested to do the eyeshadow I did when I did the Uche Notori makeup. So it's got this beautiful, gorgeous, it's more of a neutral color palette as well. Like I love this. I want to do that simple eyeshadow look that I just do. That's so effortless that you're mainly using your bronzer. So we're going to be going in with this color here, and I'm going to be focusing it more on the outer corner of my eye, and I'm using a fluffy brush. So make sure you use a fluffy brush, and I'm also just moving it to the top like this. I'm gonna link all the products below, but right now they're having a sale on TikTok. So what I'll do is just link the simpler way to do your eyeshadow is just follow your crease, and if you got hooded eyes, go a bit above, because that's what I do, and then I move it all the way up to the brow. So that's the eyeshadow that I did that I got asked to recreate, and I was like, oh, that's pretty simple. And that time I used my bronzer, but I'm just using like a warmer eyeshadow that's got a hint of red in it from the Fine Art palette. I'll go in with this beautiful coral just as a transition shade on top, just so that there's a little bit of a gradient going on. And it's super easy. If you master this eyeshadow, you can just pretty much anything. So when you do your eyeshadow like this, you can go whichever way. You can use these eyeshadows right here at the top, like this shimmery eyeshadows, or you could use these ones right here. But on that look, I kind of went with a matte eyeshadow, which is more, the pigment on these shadows is insane. Yeah, I kind of went with the matte. So then I just went on my lid like this. So that little space that has got no color is where you're just adding color. So it's super easy and simple with practice, of course. If your matte eyeshadows are not showing up like this on your palette, throw your palette away, because this is pigmented. So basically it's like this. So I just go above my crease because I have a bit of a hooded eye, and that way this opens my eyes. I mean, I can just follow the shape of my eye, but then when I open my eyes, you're not gonna see nothing, and that's not really cool, is it? So this is like the neutral eyeshadow that I usually see Kevin Long doing, or you know, all those celebrities makeups like that do Gabriella Union. So I want to just brighten my eyes, my inner corner. Oh my gosh, this color right here, Look at this color. Whoa, I don't think you can fully see it, can you? It's like gold, brown, pink, all merged together. Beautiful. Go in with maybe this one. I'll put it in the inner corner. Just gives that va-va-voom kind of look. This palette right here, not only is the package amazing, but the colors are just stunning. They do have one in light, medium, and dark, so they kind of cater for everybody pretty much. They cater for every skin tone, so definitely a must-have. This is the makeup that just makes people turn and look, because it is flawless. On the bottom of my eyes, I only put the brown eyeshadow I put in my crease, and that was it. No eyeliner in my waterline, and it's so easy and simple. It's like one of my most requested look, not just on YouTube but also in person when I do my clients makeup. Those people who say soft glam, they're usually talking about this. I love a simple eyeshadow, you guys. I will see you guys in the next video. I hope you enjoyed this video, guys. Let me know in the comments what other looks you would want to see from me. Until next time, bye guys.